what you said about her yesterday were faceless and inappropriate, considering that sa Tacloban event.
What about?
Yung binanggit niyo po yung tinitignan niyo yung tuhod niya and that she's wearing short
Tuhod lang?
skirt during your
Yeah, I
cabinet
said she
meeting.
was wearing a skirt. Pero tuhod was walang ano. Sabi ko hindi nagsisimba ito.
Isn't it offending, sir, for the president to be making those kind of comments about the vice
Well, what's wrong
president?
being president? I do not stop being
Woman,
president
eh,
just because I do not exact standard for me. I will do what I say and I say what I do. Those joke like that is nothing unless umakyat ka sa tuhod hanggang dito. Then that would be an extreme bad thing. Pero sabihin mo na, tignan mo, hindi ito ang tuhod nito. So, what's wrong with any of your wife? I mean, you have a wife. But what's wrong with that? If I say yung tuhod ng asawa mo, gasgas ka sa simba, may kalyo na. You want to depict me as bastos? You can have your day. It's not my concern to impose the standard kung yan ano. Do not put a limitation or cast aspersion sa mga biro ko. Kasi ako, hindi ako general, politiko ako. Natural sa amin niya magpatawa.